the country's IT system. Thank you very much to the Japan Patent Office. Next, we would like to acknowledge the Korea Copyright Commission as IPO feels valuable partner in developing and protecting our people's copyright. We'd also like to acknowledge the Korea Copyright Protection Agency as another partner in developing and protecting our people's copyright. The Korea Copyright Protection Agency. We would also like to acknowledge the Korea Intellectual Property Office as IPO feels a valuable partner in strengthening the country's IT system. Next, we would like to call on the Association of Southeast Asian Nations Secretariat as IPO feels valuable partner in driving economic prosperity in the region through IT. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations Secretariat. And last but not least, the United States Agency for International Development, STRIDE, as IPO feels a valuable partner in strengthening the science, technology, and innovation capacity in the Philippines for inclusive economic growth. Thank you once again to the United States Agency for International Development, STRIDE. Thank you very much again for all the valuable foreign partners of the IPO Philippines. Before we conclude our appreciation for our foreign partners, we would like to have a short message from the Japan Patent Office.
From Mr. Nakata Masahiro.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. My name is Masahiro Nakata, Mr. President of the Republic of Japan. As the Commissioner of Japan Patent Office, Mr. Kiyoshi Mori, is unable to attend this very important event, unfortunately, let me convey his message as follows. I quote, "My name is Kiyoshi Mori, and I am the Commissioner of Japan Patent Office. I'd like to express my sincere congratulations to the Intellectual Property Office for the Philippines on its 25th anniversary this year. If it were possible, I would have liked to travel to the Philippines to attend this wonderful event. Unfortunately, however, due to a scheduling conflict, please allow me to express my heartfelt congratulations to this event. The development of the IP system in the Philippines has been remarkable. This is due to IPOFIL's dedicated efforts to improve the legal system, promote public awareness, and strengthen enforcement against counterfeits in the Philippines. I'd like to pay deep respect to the continuous effort of successful IPOFIL Director General and current Director General Alba, as well as the IPOFIL staff members. It is also a great honor for JPO to receive this special award for its encouragement of IP in the Philippines. For the past 25 years, JPO and IPOFIL have been working together through the training program in Japan, cooperation via the Fund Trust Japan, examination cooperation of the patent prosecution highway, and various seminars and workshops. For example, a total of more than 600 trainees from the Philippines have participated in JPO's training program so far. I heard that the participants from the Philippines are very enthusiastic. In recent years, the JPO's international training instructors have provided training programs for patent examiners on patent examination practice in the fields of AI and biotechnology, as well as seminars on design examination. I'd be very pleased if JPO's cooperation has contributed to the development of the IP system in the Philippines. IPOFIL has been and will continue to be a very important partner of JPO. Therefore, JPO will continue to cooperate with IPOFIL in all areas of IP for the development of the IP system in the Philippines. I hope that I will be able to visit the Philippines on another occasion and meet you all in person. Finally, I would like to conclude my remarks by sending my wishes for today's IPOFIL 25th anniversary to be a very successful event. Thank you very much for your kind attention. And end of quote. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Japan Patent Office. Thank you so much for the very special message for our hardworking friends from the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as you continue to enjoy the great dinner here tonight at the PICC, and as we bring our program to a close, may I please welcome back here on stage Deputy Director General Nelson Laluces for a few words. Please welcome Deputy Director General Nelson Laluces.
And the Pumigami. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. As we close the Gama Diama PISIC Awards and Stakeholders Night, we would like to thank everyone for joining in our celebration. To the awardees, stakeholders, and IP champions, we express our gratitude for your efforts in promoting the progress and well-being of our people through intellectual property or IP. To our audience, thank you for your continued support in protecting our nation's IP rights. Tonight's event showcases how building a robust IP system does not just rely on an individual, one government agency, or even a single organization. Rather, protecting and promoting a nation's IP requires many hands working together. That's why even as we recognize the best and the brightest tonight, we're also honoring those who have been working quietly in utilizing IP for the country's economic and socio-cultural development. We hope that after tonight's event, everyone will be inspired to renew their commitment towards IP. As shown by our recipients, Filipino ingenuity and passion can achieve so much when directed towards helping our people attain a more comfortable quality of life. This commitment is also especially important as our country reopens its economy and as we rebuild from the economic challenges brought by the COVID-19 pandemic. There is a lot of work to be done, but as we all know, we have tools like IP to make this possible. On the part of the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines, or IPOP, we have been continuing our work in earnest, especially as we aim to give our 25th Silver Bright Anniversary celebration more significance. That is why we are advancing new initiatives like the Youth Inventors and Creators Incentive Program, which would waive fees for our young people when they file applications for inventions, utility models, industrial designs, trademarks, or copyright. We aim to launch this program soon, and we hope that you will also join us to make this endeavor successful. To close, I hope that we will not rest on our laurels and just be comfortable with our past successes. Instead, let us be motivated by them as we move forward in realizing a better, silver bright future for all our people. Again, thank you for everyone. Thank you everyone, and good evening to you all.
Thank you very much, Deputy Director General Nelson, for those inspiring remarks. Of course, tonight is truly a night of gratitude and appreciation. And of course, we come to realize that intellectual property is not just Katang-isip, but it truly is Yamang-isip.
Yamang Isip, and you know, it's truly an honor to host with Gadi Concepcion here tonight. Hopefully, we will be here for the next awarding ceremony. Tayo ulit yung partner ko dito.
Parang I'm not fit to be the IT ambassador.
It's been truly a pleasure to be here tonight and to meet and greet and network with so many distinguished individuals here, mga kaibigan. I know as we start to close up this program, please don't leave just yet. Stay around to get to know many of our IT champions over here. It's a good chance to network and grow your network for IT here in the Philippines. And to cap off tonight's events, we have once again here joining us on stage the members of the artists of the Cultural Center of the Philippines to perform a closing number for all of our special guests. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po ulit para sa mga artists of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. And one more round of applause, please, for the artists of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. May you please invite on stage national artist for dance, and the director of the group is Alice Reyes. And please give our national artist a microphone. She would just like to honor the group here tonight. And presenting a bouquet of flowers to our good national artist, please welcome back on stage DG Ruel Barba.
Yeah, so I just wanted to tell everybody this is how it goes, it comes home. That piece was composed by national artist for music, Ryan Cayabyab, who has gone home. We had to ask his permission, and there will be a small royalty. Respect and royalty fee. Thank you very much. I'm very proud of our dancers. We are developing choreographers. There's Earl. Choreographers, Dan. Yes. And they're all getting caporals.
Ms. Alice Mama, I think please stay on stage for a photo together with DG Barba. Can you please join them, DG Barba here on stage? And again, thank you so much to all of our awardees tonight and all those who've been recognized. On behalf of our good friends here at IPOFIL Philippines, thank you so much for joining us. My name is RJ Ladesma.
Attorney Gabby Concepcion.
Ladies and gentlemen, this ends the formal portion of tonight's awarding ceremony and recognition. But please do stay around for more food, great company, and of course, the celebration of tonight. So again, please stay around. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang IPOFIL!
Hi, maraming salamat.
Wow.
Kasama si Buwi. Sige ko na sa inyo. Ano, hindi kayo mamalis.